welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook oxtail, Jamaican style, but with a little bit of twist. I twisted it my own recipe. So if you're interested on how to cook this yummy oxtail, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed to Continental Food and Cake TV, please hit that button and subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you will not miss out. You can also share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. The first ingredients you're going to need is oxtail. To save time, I wash it off camera and I wash it 3 times with the lemon. Then I'm going to transfer to a pressure cooker pot. Please make sure you wash your oxtail really well. You can wash your oxtail with lime, lemon or white vinegar. Next, I'm going to introduce you to all the seasoning: thyme, fresh frozen, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of minced herb, 4 seasoning peppercorn, 1 teaspoon, smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon, chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon, non-cube 1, salt ½ teaspoon, scotch bonnet 4, which is optional, fresh garlic and fresh ginger. Next ingredients is dark soy sauce. Then I have light olive oil to fry. I'm also going to use 2 onion and bell pepper green 1, 2 chopped tomato. Next, I'm going to mix all the seasoning together. I'm going to add the scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, then come in with all the seasoning and mix it together until it's well combined. After mixing all the seasoning together, I'm going to keep it aside. I have the oxtail in a high heat. To that, I'm going to add light olive oil, just enough for me to braise the oxtail. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the seasoning. After that, I'm going to be braising the oxtail, and it takes between 40 to 45 minutes, stirring it frequently. You don't want to leave it and walk away. I'm going to show you the step. Ten minutes of braising the oxtail, stirring it frequently. As I said before, please do not walk away from this. This is what it looks like. After 30 minutes, this is what the oxtail is looking like. It might look like it's hard to do this. It might look like a lot of stir, but trust me, it tastes so delicious. Do you see the bottom of the pot? That's where all the flavor is packed. So after 45 minutes, look at that, golden brown. By this time, your kitchen should be blowing up, like the smell, the aroma. After braising the oxtail, the next step is to cook the oxtail until soft. Before that, I'm going to add dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of that, add some onion, green bell pepper, throw in some thyme, fresh thyme, then add some salt, add some water to cover the top of the oxtail. Cover with the lid and allow to cook in a medium-high for 25 minutes. While the oxtail is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. I have my pot in a medium high. To that I have the oil, and this oil is from the oxtail. I added the remaining seasoning and I'm going to fry for 2 minutes. The aroma that comes out of this when frying it, oh my god, it smells amazing. At this point, I'm going to add onion. After adding the onion, I'm also going to fry for 2 minutes. This smells so nice. To be honest, I'm not joking. Try it and you will come back and tell me. And if you've not subscribed, hit that button, subscribe. My kitchen is blowing up. Subscribe. I'm also going to throw in some fresh thyme, then add the chopped tomato, and I'm going to fry for 15 minutes in a medium high. You can also use fresh tomato for this, but I prefer to use chopped tomato. You want to fry your tomato sauce from this to this. Perfect. By this time, as I said, your neighbor will want to knock your door. As in, what is this woman cooking? What are you cooking? So after frying your tomato sauce really well, look at that. The next step is to introduce the oxtail back into the pot. You want them to meet together, brother and sister. But before that, one step. Do you see I cook my oxtail in a pressure cooker, and you want to make sure that your oxtail is soft. Do you see how I pulled the meat? Very soft. If not, you will not be able to eat the oxtail. To be honest, I'm just being funny. After adding the oxtail, I'm going to add the stock that come out of it, mix it together really well, then cover it with the lid and allow it to simmer for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the oxtail is ready. Look at that. Yummy, delicious. Some people will say this is a lot of step, but trust me, it's worth the step. It is so tasty and delicious. To enhance and add color to the oxtail, I just add in some green bell pepper, but you can also add the butter beans, but I prefer to add the green bell pepper as a Ninja babe. Yotago. And once you've added the green bell pepper, you want to turn off your heat. Look at that. You can eat this with plain rice, but let me show you what I use to eat mine. I present to you the finished result. Here I have the oxtail and the sauce paired with wache. Wache is a Ghanaian food. Please look forward to this recipe, the wache recipe, coming soon. So this is how I pair my own, but you can also eat this oxtail with just the plain rice or Jamaican rice and peas. Just feel free. It's so versatile. You can even eat it with a plain bread. That is how versatile it is. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. Thank you so much. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're just passing by, thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Those who started with me, thank you so much. Please, if you're new here and you've not subscribed, join the family. It is free to subscribe. I upload 2 recipes every week and I'm not going to disappoint you, so hit that button and subscribe. Also share this video with your friends and family. Check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. A lot of you do not follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. There you're going to find a lot of my cake and the recipe. Thank you so much, and I would love to be your friend on Instagram. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I will see you in another beautiful one. Bye bye.